Okay, here 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. Just want to show you a quick issue I'm having and my temporary solution for it. It won't shift out of park, so I push the brake on and it's stuck here. Someone else's YouTube video, they said take this chrome trim piece off for a different model Chrysler, and then there's this pink tab you push sideways and that released and worked for them. This tab on this model doesn't go sideways, it goes up and down, but that didn't change the shiftability of it. So I took the bigger piece of trim off that goes around the whole housing here, just clips in, and then this cable here on the right, that goes to the transmission for actually shifting it, and the cable on the left here is for the brake release of it. And down underneath here, there's that pink clip, and discovered, if I can get this to show, if I push in that pink clip underneath there, you'll see it actually will move the shifter over. I'll get the phone this out. And now I can shift it. So hopefully that helps someone out.